Post wanting to sell flats to only specific communities has landed a man from Thane in trouble. He has been booked for promoting religious enmity after his post said that he wants to sell his flat only to Gujaratis, Jains and Marwaris. In fact, the complainant is the president of Marathi Ekikaran Samiti and says that he was denied sale because he belonged to a different community. The accused man, however, says he was only following the society rules. Society, however, denies passing any such order. Mayuresh joining us live from Mumbai. Mayuresh, in different degrees, some of it happens here in Mumbai, as we all know, that certain societies adopt this kind of a discriminatory policy towards certain communities that we have often heard. But tell us more about this particular case, about this Facebook post, which has, of course, now come to the notice of the authorities. What exactly is the progress in this case?
The complainant, Mr. Deshmukh, has basically was looking for a 1 BHK flat, and he saw one Facebook post where it was written that a one-room kitchen flat which has been converted into 1 BHK and it is available for sale. So he contacted that person, and while having conversation, he got to know that the person basically told him over phone that this particular society only non-Maharashtrians, or we can say Gujarati Marwadi, or the Marwadi people can purchase the new flats or the resale flat, and they don't sell flat to the people who are Marathi or Christian or particularly any other community or religion. So basically, after this conversation, this person had gone to the local police station and he lodged a FIR. He filed a FIR against this particular Facebook post and the person who had posted this thing on Facebook. And because according to the complainant, this is totally against the housing rules or the housing society rules, and you cannot discriminate a person on the basis of the caste, religion, for the sale or a purchase of any flat. So right now, the Mira Bhayandar police station has filed an FIR against the person who had booked this or who had posted this ad on Facebook, and right now the matter is under Mira Bhayandar police station.
Okay, thanks, Mayuresh, for joining us with the latest statements.